Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. Login errors on Tinder usually happens due to account mismatch or network problems. Follow these steps to fix it quickly. First, make sure you're using the same login method you signed up with. Then, whether it is phone number or Google, Facebook or Apple ID, and then check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if the login still is happening, or make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. After that, disable any VPN or proxy. VPNs can block Tinder login. Then go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for Tinder, swipe it away, then reopen the app. After that, try logging in after 1 minute. If the error continues, update the Tinder app. To update it, go to App Store, search for Tinder and make sure to update your app. Updating your app, login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of your app. Updating the app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update your app. Then go ahead and reset your login by tapping trouble logging in. If nothing works, follow the recovery steps shown on the screen, and that's it. Using one consistent login method prevents future login errors, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.